welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something different because I will be reviewing BZSeed's essential oil diffuser. I've used essential oils in the past either for massages or aromatherapy, but there's many ways that you can use them. I mainly use it as aromatherapy, and I've been on the hunt for a new one because the previous one that I had, my daughter got to it and it broke. Luckily, within that time frame, BZSeed sent their essential oil diffuser for me to review, and I have been using it for the past couple of days, you guys, and I can honestly say that I do love it. The first couple of days, I placed it in my bathroom and it permeated the entire room with lavender. It was amazing. Today, I placed it in my kitchen / living room area and it has done the same. It is amazing. One of the best diffusers I've had in a while. Their diffuser, you can set it for an hour, 3 or 6 hours, depending how long you want it running for. The best part about it, you guys, is that you don't even hear it running at all. It is super quiet, which is a good thing because I have a baby and I don't want anything to disturb her at all when she's asleep, and it can double as a humidifier as well. It does bring a light around it, so if you want it, you can also double it or triple it, in this case, as a night light, sort of say. But it is amazing and I will be showing you guys right now. So this is their diffuser, you guys. As you can see, here are the settings of an hour, 3 and 6, like I mentioned before. The light button as well as the mist button, which also turns on the diffuser itself. My only issue with the diffuser is that you have to press it 3 or 4 times before you can actually turn it off. And this is only if you want to turn it off before the time that you set it for. Other than that, I really have no issues with this diffuser. It is pretty easy to assemble. Here is the base, and it brings a container as well to put in the water in here. You put it up to however much you wanted, but I think the max is 500 milligrams. And then you put in your essential oils. I have my little packet over here from TJ Maxx. After you're done putting the essential oils, you put the lid back on, and that's it. As I mentioned beforehand, I did get my packet of essential oils from TJ Maxx. This one in particular brings a few for detox, stress relief, sore muscles, which I have been using a lot lately, romance enhancement, rejuvenation, and balance. Now, you don't have to get this from TJ Maxx. You can go to Whole Foods, Walmart, Amazon, Target, or any of those stores. Now, I did forget to mention that the diffuser itself is power cord run, so you don't need a battery at all, which is another plus. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!